So this is our second question in this 5 questions a day series, and it is the correct order of the 1H NMR chemical shift values delta for the indicated hydrogen in the following compound is. So this hydrogen is in the question and they are asking us to arrange them in the order of their chemical shift values. So to understand this, there are few things you need to understand. That this is chemical shift scale. Here we have TMS, and the closer anything is to TMS, the more shielded it is. So if some hydrogen is closer to TMS, it means it is shielded, and the farther it is from the TMS, the more de-shielded it is. Now second thing you have to understand is that these pi electrons, they create diamagnetic current, and these pi electrons, they create ring current. And if this ring current and diamagnetic current is in the same direction as the external applied magnetic field, then our hydrogen is going to be de-shielded. And if it is opposing the applied magnetic field, our proton is going to be, our hydrogen is going to be shielded. So we will start with our first option. I have explained two things. First, if it is closer to TMS, it means it is shielded and it is going to have lower value. TMS has 0 value. So if anything is shielded, it is going to have value closer to 0, or it is going to have a low value. So for this proton, we will see if it is shielded or not. So this is how current is produced here. Okay, and it is in this direction. Okay, so current is going from this direction. It means, and external field is also going in this direction. It means the current that is produced by this double bond is supporting the external current, which means it is de-shielding this proton. Okay, so it is going to have a higher value of chemical shift. Now here this ring is also producing ring current, and this ring current is in the same direction as the external field. So it is also going to destabilize or de-shield this proton. So this proton is also going to have a value here further from the TMS. Now for this one, it produces current like this. Okay, it is producing current like this, and magnetic field is like this. So if you see here at the center, you can see that the field is opposing the external field, which means this proton which is here, it is going to be shielded. So this proton is going to have a chemical shift value which is closer to TMS. Now for this there is no ring current or diamagnetic current, but we know that sp3 protons are very shielded. So this is going to be the one closest to TMS. So what is going to be the order? This fourth one is going to have the lowest value of chemical shift. Now after this we are going to arrange these three. So look at this second one. This is producing ring current. This ring current is de-shielding this proton more than these two. Therefore this is going to have the highest value. So this second option is going to be higher than the rest of them. Now between these two, what happens is that this one is protected. Okay, so this one is protected, which means this proton is shielded. So this is going to have a value closer to TMS. So our third option is going to be here. Okay, now only one is left, that is first one. So this is the order of chemical shift. Fourth one, most protected, sp3. After that we have third one. It is protected because it is coming here, and here field is opposing the external field. Therefore third one is the second most protected proton, or second proton which has the least chemical shift. After that we have the first one, and after that we have this one, because it is the most de-shielded proton. So this is how you see the chemical shift values, and this is how you arrange them.